Just arrived at Dubai International Airport. You see the outlines of the city from here. This is the Dubai International Airport. You see the city, the tall city. From here. This is how the new bathroom looks like. It's quite interesting. Of course, they have traditional looking toilets too, but that was just interesting. People still are riding the same flight. That flight was packed. It was a 777, Boeing 777, and it was packed. There were no empty seats. It's one of the most uncomfortable flights I've had. No empty seats. Elbow to elbow, literally. But thanks to Jah, we here in Dubai. I'll spend some time in Dubai before I head back home. People still coming off the same flight. Baggage reclaims. I'm going to, so this is the way I go to get to the hotel. Hope you can read Arabic. The clocks are Rolex. Nothing else will be good enough. This reminds me of both the Qatar airport and especially the Istanbul airport. You have to do a lot of walking. Those are the waiting areas. I guess those are the gates, yeah. That's for first class passengers. Ordered. Maybe I will this time. I'll see how much I can get recorded. So now I'm going to my hotel. So many people. Now I got to go through immigration and then find my hotel that way. It's a busy airport. If you don't watch it, you will miss your connecting flight. Baby strollers here. All those elevators. Yeah. This is passport control. I think I have to pause my video now. This is passport control, immigration, passport control. This is the baggage claim area. This is baggage claim. Now I gotta find exit 3.
Sorry.
It's a big airport, so I think the Turkish airport so far is about the best, and the Qatar airport. This is impressive too. Of course, I'll see some more of it when I depart. This is the arrival. The Mark is the main builder here in Dubai. They built most of the buildings, the tall buildings, the fancy buildings. They are the builders of choice in Dubai. They don't normally encourage alcohol, but that's a wine shop. Oh, and that's a liquor shop. Interesting. And there are shops all over on the other side. See, they have whiskeys and spirits, 40% off. This is a big airport. I'm going to pause the video. This is the main hall after you get out from baggage claim. It's a big Starbucks. You can change your money here if you want. Last time I was here, I changed my money in town. Seemed to get a better rate for the dollar. But you can even get the metro from here. This is where you get the metro. There you go. The metro does not run 24 hours a day. This is Dubai International Airport. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. If you like the video of this airport, please subscribe, like the video, and you can leave a comment. This is the Dubai Airport. Over and out.